Welcome back, Crypto Leverage Trading Group. A little bit after noon on Tuesday, Altcoin Tuesday. We're talking DeFi, mates. And hopefully everyone has been accumulating during this downdraft, backdraft, correction, whatever you want to call it, bloodbath. DeFi got completely taken out, completely oversold, and using your technical analytics and your on-chain metrics, obviously that was pretty obvious. And now you're seeing a resurgence across the board in DeFi. It does not matter now. It was started with the majors, and now it's moved into Thorchain. It's moved into the next level below, the major five in decentralized finance. Yearn Finance is obviously one of those, and many of us in the group have actually been trading Yearn Finance more than Bitcoin for all obvious reasons. If you take a look at this chart, I'm keeping up I want to keep up the points that I made in the last video. Last video I did was on June 29th for Yearn Finance. Okay, before going into the holiday week, before ending the month, going into July, and why I believe that we are on the cusp of a resurgence and a super cycle in decentralized finance. And I say that based on what I'm seeing with institutions and what I'm seeing with big blocks and active addresses, and all these projects launching. Okay, like I've talked about previous videos today. I hope you'll check them out and like and subscribe to the channel. Compound last week pushed up Compound Treasury. Aave today is launching in July, Aave Pro. All this is focused on big money institutions who want to put money into crypto. Okay? That's the basis of all of that. And they want to be able to do it efficiently, easy. Okay? And it's been pretty cumbersome for institutions in the last 5 years. Let's be honest. So we're going to take a look right here. Yearn Finance. Congratulations to everybody. I want to say this. I mean, because this market is tough. Okay? This market is tough right now. And those that have been playing it in the group and in the free trading Discord, I got to give props to, because I know a lot of people got shaken out. A lot of people are worried. A lot of people are just sitting on the sidelines. And when you sit on the sidelines like that, you're going to miss opportunities. Okay. And the last video I did here was 729, and we had just come off of this in the mid. We were basically right about here. On the 4 hour, okay, and you can see how far even we've come from there. It was at 30,000 level. We are now at 36,000 channel mates. We are on another resistance level here. You can see from here, and then our next one is up here at roughly 39. I'm going to say 40,000, but it's 39,990 channel. So we'll say 40,000. That's the move. That's the play here, okay? But we are at a relatively, modest RSI level. So there is still room here in your YFI. We're under 70 on the RSI, which is always kind of like an alert signal at 70. But we're not nearly as high on the RSI and YFI as you see Aave is, or Maker, or Compound, okay? They're, approaching those high levels, all right? We got that cross down here on the MACD as well. But if you simply just go back and look at what we talked about, okay? We tested the double bottom. We needed to break out, right? Okay? And we've done that, okay? We're coming up from roughly 25,000 to 27,000 zone sell down in RFI, okay? I'm sorry, in YFI. And we needed to break 35,000. We've done that, mates. Okay? The trend here is continuing to go higher for YFI, okay? We want to keep an eye on the RSI level. Obviously, if you're in this trade, and I know many of you are, from 30 to 30,000 to 31,000 level, depending on where you got in, whether here or here, set your sell limits, okay? Know to take profits, in just the case that the market turns forward, because you don't know what's coming around the corner with Bitcoin. You don't know what's going to drop with Ethereum, right? That is going to directly impact what your profitability is going to be in YFI, because it will then move correlated down with Bitcoin and with Ethereum. So you want to make sure that you lock in that profit. So the recommendation on that, obviously not financial advice, you need to do your own due diligence in everything that you trade, is set your sell limit, okay? Or at least set your limit today in terms of your plan on, what, if YFI falls back to 36,000, I'm going to take my profits from my entry at 30,000. All right, mates, a quick update.